Adobe Audition is an industry-standard audio production program that can create podcasts, music, or voiceovers. Before starting Audition, make sure the recording device such as the Yeti or Tascam is connected to the computer. Then, from the top menu bar, navigate to Go and select Applications. Double-click Audition to launch it. Once the program loads, navigate to Window, Workspace, Classic. This will adjust the interface to a basic layout that has everything needed to start a project. If panels or windows are moved or deleted accidentally, navigate back here and select Reset to Saved Layout. To start a new session, click the multi-track button to the top left. Fill out the session information in the new window. Enter a name. Click Browse to select a folder location, and leave the default settings for the rest. Click OK when done. Now that the project is set up, it's time to configure the recording input. On track 1, click Default Stereo Input and select Audio Hardware. Click the default input menu. If using the Tascam, select US 4x4. If using the Yeti, select Yeti. If these options aren't available, restart Audition and replug in the device. If problems continue, restart the computer. Click OK when done. Each track can now be assigned a different mic input. To set up a microphone, click Default Stereo Input. Hover over Mono, then select the desired microphone. Repeat this process for each mic being used. Next, click the Arm to Record button, labeled as an R on each track with an active mic input. Only tracks with the red Arm to Record button will record. A mini level meter will display to the right of this button. Each presenter should speak individually into the device at a comfortable, normal speaking volume, and adjust volume controls until this meter displays as yellow. To start recording, click the red Record button in the Transport window. If you can't find the Transport panel, navigate to Window and ensure Transport is checked. Audio waveforms will appear on each track being recorded. When finished recording, click the Stop button. Review the recorded audio and make adjustments as needed using tools such as Move and Razor. To save the session, navigate to File, Save. A session file and folder will be created. Both are needed to reopen the session, so be sure to transfer both when moving to a flash drive, external hard drive, or Google Drive. To create an audio file that can be uploaded, shared, and listened to outside of Audition, it must be mixed down to one track and then exported. Navigate to Multi-Track, Mix Down Session in New File, and select Entire Session. Audition will switch into Waveform mode. This mode is destructive editing, which means that edits made here are permanent after saving. To export, navigate to File, Save As. Enter a name, select a storage location, and select WAV or MP3 as the format. For sample type, keep it at 48,000 Hz stereo. Click Change to the right of Format Settings and select the highest bitrate possible. Refer to the estimated file size at the bottom of the window and adjust the format settings as needed if the file is too large. Click OK. An audio file will be generated. If you need help, email itac@plu.edu, visit the help desk, or call the support number.